see, next very important point, metallurgy. So metallurgy is the process of getting metal in pure form from ores. It is the process of obtaining a metal in pure form, from its ore. So ores are the naturally occurring substances from which a metal can be extracted easily and economically. Easily and economically means there may not be any problem, and the cost, the money spent is also less. So thus it is called as, it should be easy and economically. It is nothing like that we want to uh, obtain or extract a metal from ore and it is uneconomical, that is more money is wasted, so it is of no use. So we keep two points in mind, that it is economical and it is easier to extract. Now metallurgy has three basic steps. So first step is the preliminary treatment. In preliminary treatment, the ores are concentrated. In this, ores are concentrated. Second is reduction of concentrated ores into metal. So this is the second, reduction of the concentrated metal into metal, or simply we call reduction. Now third is the refining of impure metal into pure metal. So these are the three basic steps. Now we will see one by one. So I am going to explain the first point, preliminary treatment. So preliminary treatment, it is basically called as concentration or refining of ores, or enrichment. It may be called as enrichment. It may be called as enrichment of ores, or it may be called as beneficiation of ores. Ores are benefited. How? By removing the impurities or gangue. So in this, impurities are also called as gangue. So this is the new term. So what is gangue? Gangue means the unwanted impurities or anything which is undesirable is called as gangue. So gangue has to be removed. Now this preliminary treatment, it can be either by physical method, it can be either by concerned physical methods, or it can be by chemical methods. So there are many dimensions of this. It can be a physical method or it can be by the chemical method. So in physical methods, there can be different, like levitation, then there can be magnetic separation, and many more. In chemical method, again there are many. So there can be Bayer's method, or there can be some other methods. So basically, I am going to focus on the this physical method first, that is navigation. So navigation is also called as hydraulic washing. It is also called as hydraulic washing. So hydraulic washing means washing with the help of water. So in this we take a shallow tank. Shallow tank is taken. Shallow tank means a tank having less depth. Depth is less. And so from one side there is slow and steady, slow and steady water current is passed. Slow and steady water current is passed. Slow, it should not be fast. Steady means it should be regular. Why? Because see, here this is shallow tank, means having less depth. Now here we take the powdered ore. Here it is powdered ore. Ore is taken in powdered form. Now just in front here there is the outlet. This is the inlet portion and this is the outlet. So water will be filled. Water will be filled slowly and slowly, regularly. So this waste water, this is the waste water carries away soluble impurities. Wastewater carries away soluble impurities. So what will happen? Only the metallic component, only the metallic pores will be left here, and that's why it is called as navigation or it is called as hydraulic washing. So this is one point. Now in second part, that is the magnetic separation. In magnetic separation there is magnetic separator, and magnetic separator there is a set of pulleys, and pulleys are there. Pulleys are driven by motor, and here there is a magnetic belt. This is having the direction. This is pulley. Pulley is a circular structure having notches so that any belt can move. This is the motor, and this is magnetic belt. This is magnetic belt. Here in the this is hopper. In the hopper, powdered ore is taken. Here there is the powdered ore, and ore goes, as see, this is magnetic belt, and here the ore goes. Ore is taken. It was moving in the direction. So here there is the magnetic belt has been designed in such a manner that as the belt comes, this ore comes here, the magnetism goes away, and so ores are taken away, and so here the non-magnetic components means sand, soil. Here the non-magnetic components, here non-magnetic components are collected. Here, just after non-magnetic components are collected, and as this is designed in such a manner that magnetism is up to this point, so here as the magnetism is ended here, so here the magnetic components magnetic component. These are the magnetic components. So thus it is the magnetic separation of this ore. In chemical method, some chemicals are taken. In chemical method, some chemicals are taken. Chemicals are taken, and the chemicals they dissolve. Chemicals they dissolve the metallic portion, like Bayer's method. Bayer's method, it is the chemical treatment, it is chemical process, and in this the Bayer's method has the advantages of purifying alumina. This is alumina. Alumina, it is ore, bauxite. It is treated with NaOH solution, and then there is the formation of sodium aluminate. There is formation of sodium aluminate, NaAlO2. This sodium aluminate, then it is acidified with the acid to form the aluminium hydroxide. Aluminium hydroxide PPT. PPT is formed. Then aluminium hydroxide is heated strongly. It is heated strongly to get the aluminum. So here is the pure alumina, and so this is the Bayer's process.